In Judge Vonda's courtroom, appearances carry no weight and excuses hold no ground. Parents may attempt to hide behind fabricated stories, false allowances, or even the illusion of a lavish lifestyle, but the truth inevitably comes to light. And when it does, it reveals just how far some are willing to go in order to escape the responsibility of supporting their own child.
Is it still legal? Like, I can just throw his clothes on the curb and then...
Okay, I'll go ahead. I see you came here. Excuse me. I see you came.
Some parents will go to extraordinary and even shocking lengths to escape their responsibilities, hiding children to dodge accountability, falsifying addresses to manipulate systems, flaunting fabricated lifestyles.
To waste my time. So I'll move along. Sir, do you have any other questions?
Your Honor.
Styles on social media, and even lying outright under oath. But in Judge Vonda's courtroom, such tactics never survive because no matter how elaborate the deception may be, the truth inevitably comes to the surface.
Yes or no? Do you have any other questions about what I just said, about my ruling?
No, I ain't got no question what you said.
Okay, the plan is for you guys to leave my courtroom because you are dismissed.
And when it does, the one attempting to conceal it rarely emerges unscathed. Today's case is a prime example, where a father, sharing custody of his 12-year-old daughter and already contributing significantly by providing...
Okay, Ms. Sauer?
Yes.
You brought this case before the court. What's going on?
Well, George and I were engaged to be married. However,
providing health insurance, meeting her basic needs, and playing an active role as a parent, steps forward not out of greed or selfishness but out of genuine concern, requesting only that the mother share in the financial responsibility of raising their child as expenses grow with sports, extracurricular activities, and school.
That did not, we broke up. In the process of being engaged, George adopted my 9-year-old son, Travis.
Okay.
And even though we're not going to get married, I would like to seek child support from George for Travis, please.
Okay. Any objections to the
events? A seemingly simple and reasonable request that quickly spirals into complication when the mother arrives in court claiming financial hardship despite being remarried to the...
Yes, Your Honor.
What is the objection?
Well, we were engaged. It was great. Her kid, Travis, he's really sweet.
Wait, her kid?
You
adopted him, right?
I'm not the biological father.
He's not.
Adopted
but
him,
you adopted Travis.
I was getting, yes, I did. Yes. I'm not denying that I did adopt Travis.
So Travis is your son too?
Technically, yes.
CEO of a major energy company whose wealth affords him a $200,000 car and a life.
I don't really see Keely. I don't see Travis much these days.
He misses you. And I miss you.
I'm not following you. You adopted Travis legally. He's your son.
Yes, Your Honor.
Which means you should be paying child support for him.
I probably should.
Life of visible affluence, while she insists she is broke because she receives only a $500 weekly allowance from him.
Actually,
thank you for delivering our mail.
You're welcome. I like it. It's great.
Mr. Moffitt, you came here to waste my time, didn't you?
No, Your Honor.
Obviously you did, because everything you're saying about delivering mail in this neighborhood and you're a nice guy, that has nothing to do with child support. Travis is your son. You have an obligation.
A claim that rings hollow when paired with her contradictory boasting about their lavish lifestyle, exposing the glaring hypocrisy.
Support him. It's just as simple as that.
Are you okay? You're not going to have another panic attack, are you?
Oh.
Okay.
Do you really miss me?
Travis asked about you. I just want what's best for my son.
Wait, Your Honor, can we, what? When is he asking about me?
He asks, he asks at night right before bed. I mean, you adopted him, so,
Why don't you call and check on the child?
Of pleading poverty, while flaunting privilege, and though she leans into her past sacrifices, arguing that she gave up her education.
Scared, I guess.
Scared of what?
When I adopted.
Mean to him? I mean, I feel like I'm missing something here. What am I missing?
I feel like, George just, George does have his panic attacks, but, I just want what's best for my son. And, and I want
during a prior marriage and should therefore be exempt from responsibility, Judge Vonda remains unmoved.
be happy too, George. I do. I want you to be happy.
I'm sorry, Your Honor. I'm sorry.
Oh.
So maybe I was wrong about,
recognizing that while sacrifice may be commendable, it is no excuse to neglect the duties of parenthood, especially when contrasted with the father's steady.
you and Travis.
Do you want to,
Do you guys want to get back together? You're really making my heart jump over here.
I mean, I don't know. Maybe it's because I've never been in court before, Your Honor, but I feel like, yeah.
Maybe you guys should go ahead and get married. Forget the whole engagement thing. Get married. Then you don't have to worry about child support.
Clear and sincere position that he does not care about his ex-wife's husband's wealth and does not seek luxury or indulgence.
Mr. Moffitt, do you take this woman to be your wife?
Yeah, I do.
And do you take Mr. Moffitt to be your husband?
I do.
Okay, well, you guys are married and there is no child support.
But only fairness and shared responsibility for their daughter, who deserves stability, security.
All right, Ms. Drummer, you're back.
Good morning, Judge.
Good morning. And you're back. Wait a minute.
Probably a little bit more bitter today.
Wait a minute.
Security and the unwavering support of both parents regardless of circumstance. And in the end,
What's that ring on your finger?
Listen, like I told
Y'all got married? So I don't have to do child support today?
No, well, see what happened was, I told
I'm
you,
confused.
She was jealous because I was dating.
Okay.
And so me and my young lady, we went ahead and we did that thing.
Judge Vonda's philosophy rings true once more. That appearances, wealth, relationships.
Okay, so the three
lady
kids.
doesn't even speak English, ma'am. And look, Judge.
Listen, she is from, she's from Venezuela.
They're not in love. This is
Okay.
She's paying him to marry.
Afro-Venezuelan lady. You should see. I mean, just
For green
Okay,
card.
so let me just make sure that I follow you.
Yeah.
So the woman you married is not one of the women with the 3 kids you already have? It's a yes or no?
No.
Okay. And the 2 of you aren't married?
No.
Okay.
Or excuses mean nothing when measured against a child's right to be cared for.
All right. So I have the DNA results and you are indeed the father.
That's all good.
I told you. He looks just like you.
Well, I mean, you know what? You and your brother look just alike too.
Well,
okay?
I mean,
all right.
that's what they say.
Well, should they look alike if, they're related?
Listen. I don't have a problem taking care of my kids. My kids is laced with the best looking clothes. Have you seen my kids?
No,
Fly,
but you know
fresh.
what I do want to see.
And when all the distractions are stripped away, the only thing that matters.
What I want to draw your attention to are these documents that you gave me so we can see how much your child support obligation is about to be. Make it quick.
I got a few kids. I just got back from my honeymoon. Funds are a little bit tight. So,
She's paying him. He got the money. She bought a green card.
We in a recession. It's a lot going on right now. I haven't been laying as much pipe as I normally
And a
do.
lot is going on with you doing a whole lot of talking and not saying much of anything. So what I would like to do
in her courtroom is ensuring the child is properly provided for.
Ma'am, I do not
And
need
your mama
you.
tell her she
Excuse
better
me,
still, refer
Miss
to my
Drummer.
kids.
Miss Drummer, I do not need your help. Okay, not at all.
Sorry,
if you want
Judge.
me to help you and get
Keep my
some
mama
support
out.
going for you, then you need to not entertain him as much. Okay,
She just mad.
you understand that? You're just mad too.
Well,
You're just mad because these numbers are not about to look real good with your recession that you have going over there. But
Some parents will go to extraordinary and even shocking lengths to escape their responsibilities, hiding children to dodge accountability, falsifying address.
how much money do you make a year?
I mean, before, expenses and taxes.
That was not my question, sir. How much
About
money do you make a year?
$65,000. But I have to pay for gas and pipe and PVC.
Oh,
It's so
okay.
much stuff that I have to pay for, Judge.
Right.
Oh, right.
I'm a
Just
plumber.
like anybody else has to pay for things. So $65,000 a year. I have your gross calculated at $5,416. That would bring your net down to $4,383.
Is to manipulate systems, flaunting fabricated lifestyles on social media, and even lying outright under oath. But
And how many, you said you all have 2 children. You have 3 previously. So, all right, based on 19%, you're going to get a credit for that. Child support is, don't thank me yet. Child support is $832.
In Judge Vonda's courtroom, such tactics never survive because no matter how elaborate the deception may be.
No.
Now,
Thank you.
Ms. Drummer, health insurance. Who covers health insurance?
I do.
All right, how much is health insurance?
$236 for both.
Take them kids
For
down
both
to the county
children?
hospital.
Yes.
Okay. $832 plus the $236 for health insurance. You're going to reimburse that. That comes out to $1,068 a month for
Thank
child
you.
support.
So her and Pickle and Pepper Man can kick it?
The truth inevitably comes to the surface. And when it does, the one attempting to conceal it rarely emerges unscathed. Today's case is a prime example.
All she gonna use it for? I buy all the kids clothes.
Judge, I have moved on. I have an electrician
He
now.
has too.
I don't even need no more plumbers.
Okay. Well, guess what? And I don't need to see either of you anymore because I made my ruling. So is there anything further?
No.
Where a father, sharing custody of his 12-year-old daughter and already contributing significantly by providing health insurance, meeting her basic needs,
Anything further?
Can I speak to your manager?
Is there any?
and playing an active role as a parent, steps forward not out of greed or selfishness but out of genuine concern, requesting only that the mother share in the financial responsibility of raising their child as expenses grow.
Further, sir?
No,
If there's
it ain't.
nothing further, you all are dismissed. Thank you.
Goodbye.
Grow with sports, extracurricular activities, and school events, a seemingly simple and reasonable request that quickly spirals into complication when the mother arrives in court claiming financial hardship despite being remarried to the CEO of a major energy